So this is extra jumbo shrimp. Peeled, deveined. All I did, salt, pepper. I did a little cayenne pepper just for a little kick. Chopped up some tomatoes, and I'm going to be doing what I'm simply calling a garlic parmesan roasted broiled shrimp. So I have some oil, some garlic going. Squeeze. Going well with garlic is rosemary. And then I just have some parmesan cheese. And all I'm doing is then kind of just combining and whisking all this goodness all over the shrimp. The things that get me excited. And this goes in the oven, guys, and bakes for no more than about 9 to 12 minutes thereabout, just until everything combines and the shrimp is perfectly cooked. And you see how it's bubbling, sizzling.
What is it?
It's good.